There's a snickerdoodles. There's little snickerdoodles. Don't turn over. Little red fox tree squirrel. Where are you going, girl? Here you go. Here you go. Calm down. Calm down. Breathe. Calm down. Okay, you need to take a breath. There you go. Calm down. Ready? Hold still. There it is. Can't eat too much at once. You gotta breathe too, so you don't inhale it. Hold on. There you go. Hold still. Hold still. Snickers. You can't drink as fast as you want or you're going to inhale it. That's bad for your lungs. Calm down. No. I'll give you more. Hang on. There you go. Too much? Sorry. No, not upside down. Can't turn my wrist any further. You gotta go level. You want it or not? What?
Hashtag rehabbing a squirrel.
You need a potty break? Are you still hungry? After you had your little business? All done? Uh-huh. All done. Okay. Sorry, I wiped that right across your face, huh? Little snickerdoodles. There you go. There you go. Happy little girl. Growing like crazy. Say hi. Those eyes will be open in no time. In about 4 weeks right now. Little red fox tree squirrel. Where are you going? A full tummy, huh? Oh, she's got hiccups. You got hiccups? Yeah, she's got hiccups.